100% online, Dallas Law, Security Guard Officer, Classification Certification Course, Tennessee. Alliance Training and Testing. Course Overview and Cost. Armed and unarmed security guards officers working in locations that are licensed to serve alcohol must complete Dallas Law Classification Certification Training. Alliance Training and Testing offers a 100% online Dallas Law Classification Certification Training course to meet all the requirements in Tennessee Code Annotated 62, 35, 118, including de-escalation, safe restraint techniques, legal powers and limitations of security guards officers, first aid, CPR. Course cost $60. Course description. This course includes an examination covering subjects in which the individual must have training for classification as a security guard officer authorized to work at a commercial establishment that holds a license or permit for on-premises consumption from the Alcoholic Beverage Commission or a beer board in the state of Tennessee. In accordance with the following requirements under Tennessee Code Annotated 62, 35, 118, all candidates must complete a training course that includes de-escalation, safe restraint techniques, legal powers and limitations of security guards officers, first aid, CPR. Course learning objective and suggested audience. The course objective is to train individuals to become classified to work at a commercial establishment that holds a license or permit for on-premises consumption from the Alcoholic Beverage Commission or a beer board in the state of Tennessee. This course is fully approved by the State of Tennessee Private Protective Services and satisfies all requirements to be classified. The suggested audience is any unarmed or armed security guard officer in Tennessee, employed by a proprietary security organization that holds a license or permit for on-premises consumption from the Alcoholic Beverage Commission or a beer board, employed by a contract security company to perform security guard and patrol services at a commercial establishment that holds a license or permit for on-premises consumption from the Alcoholic Beverage Commission or a beer board. Course prerequisites. Hold a current armed or unarmed Tennessee security guard officer license or be eligible to obtain one. Be a citizen of the United States or a resident alien. Not have been declared by any court of competent jurisdiction, incompetent by reason of mental defect or disease, unless a court of competent jurisdiction has since declared the applicant competent. Not be suffering from habitual drunkenness or narcotics addiction or dependence. Not have any disability that, in the opinion of the Commissioner, prevents the applicant from performing the duties of a security guard officer. Be of good moral character. Course prerequisites. If convicted in any jurisdiction of any of the crimes listed in this subdivision 4, have completed serving the sentence or court-ordered probation at least 5 years prior to application. Conviction of the following crimes shall disqualify an applicant, subject to the conditions stated in this section. A. Any felony, or B. Any misdemeanor involving 1. Shooting a firearm or other weapon. 2. Shoplifting. 3. Assault and battery or other act of violence against persons or property. 4. Crimes involving the sale, manufacture, or distribution of controlled substances, controlled substance analogs, drugs, or narcotics. 5. Theft of property, or 6. Theft of services. Course schedule, duration, and location. Course schedule. This course is available on demand. On-demand availability provides students the ability to complete the course on their schedule and at their pace. Students may start and stop at any time and as often as necessary to accommodate their schedule. Students may start the course on one device and continue on another. Course duration. The entire course, including progress quizzes and the 50-question final exam, are designed to be completed in 4.5 to 5 hours. Location. On our website at www.securityguardlicensed.com. Course attendance and completion requirements. Course attendance. To meet attendance requirements, participants must entirely review each training module and complete all required course quizzes and the course final examination. The instruction videos contained within the course prevents the user from fast-forwarding or skipping forward. Students must successfully review each video module and complete the related progress quiz with a score equal to or greater than 70% in order to proceed to the next training module. Course completion. The mandatory completion duration period for this course is 30 days from the registration date. Participants will have 3 attempts to pass the final examination. Course technical requirements and renewals. Course technical requirements. This course is fully mobile responsive and can be completed with any phone, tablet, or computer with an internet connection. Renewals. Dallas Law Classification Certification requires renewal training every 2 years. Standard of Conduct Agreement. If a student is found to have not been the person who completed all the coursework and/or final exam, the penalty may include, but is not limited to, expulsion, permanent foreclosure from future classes, forfeiture of the course completion certificate, or all of the above, in accordance with Alliance Training and Testing LLC Standard of Conduct. If applicable, a letter notifying the student's sponsoring company or organization of the individual's misconduct will be sent by Alliance Training and Testing LLC to the appropriate official. All violations of our standard of conduct will be immediately reported directly to the State of Tennessee Private Protective Services. Alliance Training and Testing LLC will formally request that the student's license be immediately suspended and/or revoked for violating our standard of conduct. By purchasing this course, you agree that completion of this entire course and final examination will be an individual effort. Purchase Agreement. By making this purchase, you affirm that you 1. Can read, write, and comprehend standard English text. 2. Can speak and comprehend the English language. 3. Are eligible for Dallas Law Classification Certification training in accordance with the State of Tennessee Private Protective Services requirements. 4. Are eligible to work in the State of Tennessee and meet all citizenship eligibility requirements in accordance with the State of Tennessee Private Protective Services requirements. 5. Dallas law students are required to pass a multiple choice test scoring equal to or greater than 70% to successfully complete the examination. 6. We make no guarantees of successful completion or licensure. 7. Alliance Training and Testing LLC reserves the right to refuse to train or certify any student for any reason whatsoever. Return Policy. This is a non-refundable course access fee. We do not offer exchanges, returns, or refunds of any kind. All sales of products and services are final. All online students will have access to complete the course for 30 days from the date of purchase. It is the responsibility of the trainee to submit the application to the State of Tennessee along with the applicable fee. By making this purchase, you agree to our return policy. Thank you for considering our services. Alliance Training and Testing. The Security School of Choice in Tennessee.